Whether you're just starting out or you're a design pro, guess what? AI tools are here to make your creative journey a total blast. Imagine whipping up jaw-dropping graphics, cool animations, and interactive wonders, all thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence. How awesome does that sound? Now, hold on to your hats because in this video, I'm about to spill the beans on 7 mind-blowing AI tools that every designer should totally have in their toolkit. Well, no more waiting around. Let's dive right in. The first tool that's going to blow your creative mind is Playground.ai. It's a web-based wonderland where you can whip up eye-catching graphics, animations, mixed image editing, all powered by the magic of AI. And guess what? No coding ninja skills or design guru vibes needed. All you gotta bring to the party is your wild imagination and creativity. Playground hooks you up with a bunch of templates to kickstart your masterpiece by typing in the prompt in the search bar. Plus, the customization game is strong. You can tweak everything from filters, dimensions to FX, making it totally your own vibe. Feeling a bit stuck? No worries. Collaborate with fellow creators, get some feedback, or flaunt your genius to the world. Playground is truly your playground for designers exploring to try out new styles and techniques, all while creating visuals that'll make jaws drop. Have you dipped your toes into the playground magic, or maybe something similar? Share your stories in the comments below. All right, buckle up for the next game changer in the creative toolkit, that is Picwish.ai. This online photo editing wizard is like having a personal AI sidekick to amp up your photos effortlessly. Picwish is all about making photo editing a breeze. With a simple click, you unlock a treasure trove of filters and effects to sprinkle that magic touch on your pics. But hold on, it's not just about filters. This AI powerhouse lets you remove backgrounds, enhance images, and even enlarge it. But here's where it gets really cool. Customize and fine-tune your old photos to perfection with sliders and brushes. Crop, rotate, resize. It's like having a photo studio at your fingertips. And did I mention it's fast and accurate? Say goodbye to hours spent tweaking every detail. Once you've transformed your masterpiece, flaunt it to the world. Share with friends and family or download straight to your device. Picwish is the go-to for designers who want to sprinkle a bit of AI magic on their photos. Have you dabbled in the Picwish experience or anything similar? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite feature or maybe something you'd love to see improved? Let's cut to the chase with tool number 3, Adobe Sensei. This powerhouse is the AI engine running the show behind a bunch of Adobe's big hitters like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, to name a few. Here's the deal. Adobe Sensei is all about boosting your workflow and creativity with some seriously smart tools and suggestions, thanks to AI. Need to select and mask objects? No problem. Want to zap away those unwanted elements, tweak colors and lighting, or conjure up realistic effects? Adobe Sensei has your back. But wait, there's more. It's not just about finesse. Adobe Sensei steps up your game with performance and quality upgrades. Think faster rendering, optimized compression, improved resolution. You get the drift. And the cool part? It's not just about doing the heavy lifting. Adobe Sensei is your personal AI assistant, handling tasks like content generation, layout creation, asset hunting, and more. In a nutshell, Adobe Sensei is the ultimate sidekick to take your design skills to the next level, all thanks to AI. Ever given it a spin or rocked any Adobe tool? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Now, let's dive into tool number 4, Autodraw. This little gem is a free web-based playground that turns your icon and logo creation into a breezy, AI-powered adventure. Here's the lowdown. Autodraw takes your sketches and shapes, works its magic, and voila! It presents you with a library of professional drawings that match your artistic input. Talk about a shortcut to creativity. Once your masterpiece is ready for the world, Autodraw lets you download it as a PNG or SVG file or easily share it with others. It's the kind of tool that makes creating icons and logos with AI a walk in the park. Time to dive into tool number 5, Fontjoy. This nifty online tool takes the hassle out of font pairing, thanks to a touch of AI magic. Here's the scoop. Fontjoy creates font combinations that are easy on the eyes by playing with contrast and harmony. Pick your vibe from various styles like serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, and more. Feeling particular about the feel? Tweak contrast and harmony levels with sliders or lock in the fonts you fancy. It's a straightforward and user-friendly tool that makes finding and pairing fonts a breeze with a little help from AI. Have you given Fontjoy a spin or encountered a similar font-finding sidekick? Share your thoughts on the font choices in the comments below. I'm all ears. Let's jump into tool number 6, Uizard. This web-based powerhouse is your go-to for effortlessly crafting and prototyping websites and apps, all thanks to a sprinkle of AI magic. Here's the deal. Uizard can design website landing page, productivity app, and SaaS web app into sleek UI elements. And the fun doesn't stop there. Add a dash of pizzazz to your prototypes with interactivity and animation, courtesy of simple drag-and-drop actions. Uizard's got your back on multiple platforms and devices: web, mobile, tablet, desktop, you name it. Need a second opinion? Collaborate and test your prototypes with fellow users or flaunt your genius to the world. Uizard is the muscle you need to bring your website and app dreams to life, all with a little help from AI. Let's wrap it up with tool number 7, Picsart. This trendy app is all the rage, using AI to make creating and editing stellar photos and videos a total breeze. Here's the scoop. Picsart hooks you up with a bunch of tools and effects that transform your photos and videos with just a tap. And the fun doesn't stop there. Add stickers, masks, backgrounds, you name it, all with a touch of AI magic. And when your masterpiece is ready for its grand debut, Picsart makes it easy to share with friends, family, or the world of social media. It's the go-to for anyone looking to inject a bit of fun and creativity into their photo and video game, all thanks to AI. Well, there you have it, my top 7 AI tools that I believe every designer should have handy. I hope you found this video both informative and insightful. If you did, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button for more content like this. And if you want more things AI, check my other video, 7 AI tools that are so valuable, they feel illegal to know. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.